Hi there. I want to talk about how you can use pain to reprogram your subconscious. Pain is one of the greatest assets that you can use to reprogram your subconscious. Now, I'll give you the example of John D. Rockefeller. John D. Rockefeller was a child who never aspired to be the wealthiest man in the world until a painful situation occurred in his life. And what was it? He went to school, he was looking disheveled. Of course, his father was not wealthy. He didn't grow up with a wealthy family. He was looking rather disheveled, and they were going to take a group photograph in school. And the photographer said, "That guy is looking so dirty. Get him out of the picture." That left an indelible mark upon him, and he said that because of this, I will become the wealthiest man alive. And that was what drove him from a child all through his adulthood to becoming the richest man in the world. You see, your pain is a gift. But let me tell you why many people don't convert their painful situations into prosperity or into greatness or into reprogramming their subconscious positively. Any pain that you don't give introspection to can die down or can work against you negatively, can be a disadvantage. I will repeat myself again. Any pain that you do not give introspection to, and when I mean introspection, whatever painful thing happens to you in life, if you can... Hi there. Once upon a time in my life, I was addicted to football. I was able to break my football addiction. Then I was addicted to carbonated soft drinks. I was able to break that addiction to carbonated soft drinks. And then I was able to start new patterns in my life, consistent patterns like learning voraciously, memorizing. I eventually memorized 10 books of the Bible, over 10 books of the Bible by the grace of God. I am facilitating a training where I want to show you how to break free from negative patterns, limiting habits, overcome limiting beliefs, start new habits, build it, and then build a life that you desire, create a life that you desire, and build good positive patterns. I'm also facilitating a training on how individuals become institutions, where I show you how individuals built institutions and how they were able to use harsh economic climates and recessions to their advantage. It's a training for anybody that wants to excel in any area of your life. Right now, you can see the flyers and the QR code on your screen. I look forward to seeing you there. God bless you. Do have an amazing day, and back to the video. Think deeply about it. I'm going to think deeply about this thing. Let me tell you something. It may not happen overnight. It may not just happen because you thought deeply about it for one day. But if you continue to, the deeper you go, the more you will see the treasures in it and how you can convert it to an asset. Every pain that we go through are assets. I mean, that's why you see, like I said, the likes of Nelson Mandela, Viktor Frankl went through 27 years in solitary confinement, went through the Holocaust, respectively, and came out using their experiences as assets. Why? Because of introspection. There is nothing. If you think deeply about a thing, you are engaging your prefrontal cortex. Your prefrontal cortex has the capacity, has the quality of repelling negative emotions and admitting only positive emotions. And the prefrontal cortex is the hotbed of enlightenment, is the seat of enlightenment. So when you engage your prefrontal cortex in a painful situation, it turns that pain into enlightenment. I hope you combat your pain and you use it to reprogram your subconscious for good. I'm going to share an addition to this video where I talk about how people use negative circumstances to reprogram their subconscious positively. I hope this works well for you. God bless you. Do have an amazing day in Jesus' name, and bye for now.